Happy Wednesday. It's time for Midweek Muster. If you are just joining us for the first time, welcome. My name is Sarah Miller, and each week we release a new Midweek Muster. Just a short little time to help you remember to pause. Not to fix anything, not to figure anything out, but just to pause. This week we're going to focus on something simple but very powerful. Turning down the noise. Because if you're anything like me, the world can get loud. Work gets a lot, people get loud, even our own thoughts can get loud. And when everything is loud, we forget what it feels like to just be quiet. So today we're going to practice coming back to that. Let's begin with a simple breath practice to bring your attention inward. So if you will, bring your right hand up and place your thumb on your right nostril and your ring finger on your left nostril. So we're going to start by just applying a little bit of pressure with our ring finger to close the left nostril. We'll breathe in the right for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Then close both sides and hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now release your left nostril and slowly breathe out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that again. Inhale through your left nostril for 4, 3, 2, 1. Close both sides. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your right side and slowly exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue this pattern on your own for just a little bit. If you get mixed up, that's okay. That's part of the practice. We're not trying to perfect anything. We're just bringing our attention here. So let's take a few more rounds together. Now gently release your hand and return to a natural breath. Go ahead and get yourself into a comfortable position. If you aren't already, perhaps sitting on a chair or on the ground, laying down even if that's comfortable for you. And if it feels all right, go ahead and close your eyes. Now imagine, just for a moment, that your mind is like a radio. And lately, it's been turned all the way up. Static, voices, to-do lists, opinions, worries, all playing at once. And what we often try to do is change that situation, to change the station, if you will. But today we're not changing anything. We're just reaching for the dial and slowly, gently, we begin to turn it down. As we turn down the volume, notice what's happening. Perhaps some calmness entering your mind. Maybe your body being able to settle in just a little bit more. Not all at once, just a little. Let's turn it down again. A little more space. A little less pressure. Again. And again. Until what's left is quiet. Not empty, not numb, just quiet. And in that quiet, there's something steady. Something that doesn't need to prove anything. It doesn't need to fix anything. Just you being. If thoughts come, that's okay. Just notice them and gently turn the dial down again. Let's sit in that quiet for just a little bit. Breathing in and out through our nose. And reaching for that volume and turning it down anytime our thoughts start to get loud. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body, to the space around you. And just remember, the noise doesn't have to go away. But you can turn the volume down. And you can do that anytime you need. I'll see you next week.